Hi students, let us start today class. Today we are going to see relationship between LCM and GCD. Yes, so already in earlier class we have discussed about how we want to find LCM and GCD. Okay, so today class, what is the relations between LCM and GCD? Okay, that relationship we are going to see. So you know very well how I want to find LCM and GCD. Okay, so here what is the relation we are going to see. For example, we are taking here, for example, so consider 21 x squared y and 35 x y squared. So you consider this two polynomial. Okay, or else these two expressions. Okay, these two expressions, algebraic expression. So in that, first you want to find LCM and GCD. Yes, so first you choose f of x, first polynomial f of x you choose, first expression 21 x squared y. Next, okay, next g of x, next one is g of x you choose 35 x y squared. Now you see first this. First, what is common? Okay, 21, how we can split? 3 into 7. Okay, 3 sevens are 21. Into x squared y. We can write as it is. This, we can 35, we can write it is. How we can write? 7 5s are 35. Or else 5 sevens are 35 into x y squared. Now, these two algebraic expressions, first you want to find GCD. GCD. What does the GCD means? Both the expressions also what is common and we will write. Yes. So here both also what is common. Number 7 is common. Okay. And then GCD means lowest power. Variable lowest power want write. Okay. GCD means lowest. Variable lowest power want write. See, and then variable, in that variable here 2 x squared y, variable is x squared y, here x y squared is there. Yes, so in that you see lowest power, which one that you want, right? X squared x, so which one is lowest power? X, so x1, right? Here y squared, so which one is lowest power? Y. So GCD means lowest power, variable lowest power want, right? Okay, or else lowest degree we want, right? So here this both also what number is common that you should write, and then this what is common then means lowest power only. So here x squared x only one, right? Y squared, so lowest power y one, right? This is called GCD. Now next, actually this is how one, right? Means GCD of f of x comma g of x in these two algebraic expression. Okay, what is that? X, sorry, 7xy. Answer 7xy. Yes. Next, LCM of these two expression f of x, g of x. Okay, LCM means what is that? Both also what is common that you want, right? 7 into any single term only is there. 3 here only is there. Okay, first expression only is there. 5 second expression alone is there. That means both also want, right? Common term alone want write only one time. Remaining terms you should write as it is. And then variable, while comparing variable, highest power want write. X squared x, which one is highest power? X squared. Then y squared y, which one is highest power? Y squared. Okay, so GCD means easy. GCD means what is that? Both also what is common plus into lowest power want to write. Okay, LCM means common term want write only one time. Okay, common term want write only one time. Then is it is not common, you want write all the one. So 3 into 5. Then variable is which one is highest power. Okay, here x squared y squared. So highest power want write. Now this you see 7 3s are 21. 21 into 5 you should multiply. So 5 10. Okay, so 105 x squared y squared. So LCM of these two expression is 105 x squared y squared. Now this both also you should multiply. GCD into LCM. These two you should multiply means 7 of xy. 7 into xy is equal to 105 into x squared y squared. Okay, now these two number first you should multiply. 7 5 is 35, 735 x into x squared x cube, y into y squared y cube. So this is, so LCM and GCD you should multiply, means GCD and LCM you should multiply, we will get it as 735 x cube y cube we are receiving. Okay, in that, as it is, this first we have chosen this algebraic expression. First one is f of x, second one is g of x. So this is, keep it as 1. Now in these two expression you should multiply. Okay, now see next you should multiply f of x into g of x. So this two expression as it is you should multiply, means 21 into, or else as it is all the numbers. So here first one f of x, what we received, 3 into 7 into x squared y into thus 5 into 7 x y squared. So all the numbers you should multiply, means 7 7s are 49. Okay, or 7 3s are 21. 21 into 35 we will receive as a 735 only. So this x squared into x cube, y into y squared y cube. So this is equation 2. So what is the relationship we received? See, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, see at last here I am writing from 1 and 2. What is that? These two algebraic expression, yes, or else GCD into LCM is equal to that given two expression multiply, means we will get. So product of two algebraic expression is equal to product of LCM into GCD. This is the relationship. Okay, relationship between LCM and GCD. Okay, so what is the relationship between LCM and GCD means? So you should multiply LCM into GCD and then given expression f of x into g of x you should multiply, we will get it as the equal value. Okay, this is the relationship between LCM and GCD. Understand? So example also I have explained one of the example. So using this relationship we are going to solve exercise problem. Okay, see this exercise 3.3, first one, second point. Find the LCM and GCD and verify f of x into g of x is equal to LCM into GCD. Okay, so here you check it. First expression you choose f of x, second expression you choose g of x. In the two you should multiply and you are find first LCM and GCD, that two you should multiply, whether we are getting equal or not we want to verify. Okay, so verify, surely it will come equal only. So check it that first given. Okay, from the given first you choose this, first one is f of x. Okay, let's f of x is equal to x cube minus 1 into x plus 1. Okay, this is f of x. Now this f of x also first you want to simplify. Okay, so factors you want to find. Here x plus 1 is one of the factors, so we can leave. So here x cube minus 1, so only two terms are there, that means second term we can change into q format. Okay, like that only they will give. One or we want to use formula, or else any common term will be there. Okay, or else we can factorize. So such a three steps you want to follow. Here you see already one factor is given. This you want to find factors. For that x cube minus 1 you change into 1 cube of x plus 1. Okay, then means we know that use a cube minus b cube formula. What is that? A minus b of a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, this is a cube minus b cube formula. Okay, apply means here what you will get, instead of a plus x, instead of b plus 1, so that x minus 1 of x squared plus x plus 1 square means 1. Okay, of remaining this you should write x plus 1, this you should write. Okay, this is a formula for this. Okay, then this x plus 1 right. Okay, now I applied this formula here, x cube minus 1 cube. Instead of that I used the formula and I received this. So this is the factor of this f of x, okay, in given expression. So this is a quadratic polynomial, but we cannot factorize, so that this you keep as it is. Now next choose g of x. G of x is, what does that means? X cube plus 1. Here only two terms, then means we can apply the formula x cube plus 1 you change into 1 cube. Okay, 1 power anything 1 only, so that I change into 1, change into 1 cube. Now here we want to use a cube plus b cube. Okay, what is the formula? A plus b of a squared minus ab plus b squared. Okay, you want to use this formula here. Okay, in that both a cube minus b cube, a cube plus b cube, one is difference is minus, here plus, here everything plus, here ab term alone will get negative. Okay, so memorize the formula this. Now apply means here you will get x plus 1 of x square minus x plus 1 square means 1. Here a value is x, b value is 1, x into 1, x only you will get. This is the factor of this given expression. Okay, why first I have changed into factors means then only easily we can write LCM and GCD. For that only I have changed given f of x and g of x. I have changed and written this factors. Okay, now first want to write LCM. Okay, first we can write LCM. Okay, first what is the LCM? You see, find LCM of f of x and g of x. Okay, LCM of f of x and g of x. So here x minus 1 into x plus 1 here is there, here x plus 1 is there, but x minus 1 only one time is there, so x minus 1 you should write. Okay, next this x square plus x plus 1 here not there, that also you should write. X square plus x plus 1, then x plus 1 two times, then means single time you should write x plus 1 into this you should write. Okay, here second expression this is there, x square minus x plus 1 is there, that you should write it. Okay, this is called LCM. Okay, is this called LCM? Okay, next this also we can change. This also we can change. How we can change this? You see, now so this is actually what is the formula of is this x minus 1 of x square plus x plus 1. What is the formula of is this, and this what is the formula? Okay, see, this is a minus b of a square plus ab plus b square. Then means this we can change into a cube minus b cube. So x cube minus 1 cube. Next formula a cube plus b cube. Okay, then means x cube plus 1 cube. Now this x cube minus 1 into x cube plus 1. 1 cube value 1. So that now this we can apply the formula. What does that means? Here a minus b, a plus b. Use here a minus b into a plus b. Okay, a minus b into a plus b. What is the formula of is this? Use a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Yes. So instead of a place, here a is x cube, b is 1. So substitute means here x cube to the whole square minus 1 square. Okay, so a square minus b square. Now x power 6 minus 1 you will get. This is called LCM. Yes, this is called LCM. So here roughly you can write this. This is called LCM. Now we received LCM. Next GCD want to find. Yes, so see GCD. GCD means what is that? Both also what is common. GCD means next both also what is common in this. So both f of x and g of x we factorized. In that both what is common? Only x plus 1 is x plus 1 alone common. Yes. So this is GCD. GCD means only x plus 1. Both also what is common? X plus 1 alone common. So that x plus 1 I have written GCD. Now question is asked. What is that? To verify f of x into g of x is equal to LCM into GCD. Whether you are getting equal or not, you want to verify. Now, so f of x into g of x, okay, equal to, what is that f of x? First polynomial, x cube minus 1 into x plus 1 into g of x. G of x is what is that? X cube plus 1. Okay, now see this you should multiply. Okay, this and this we can change into x cube to the whole square minus 1 square. Before only I have explained this. Okay, so a cube, a minus b, a plus b. So a square minus b square. Okay, into one more x plus 1 is there, that you should write x plus 1. Okay, keep dot or else. Now what is that? X power 6 minus 1 of x plus 1. Okay, this is keep it as equation 1. Okay, next you see LCM into GCD. So LCM is what is that? LCM we received x power 6 minus 1 into GCD we received as x plus 1. So this is equation 2. Therefore, from 1 and 2 we have received f of x into g of x. Two expression, product of two expression is equal to product of LCM into GCD. Okay, this two it's came equal, therefore hence verified. So this only we want to verify, so verify. So see how want to find first given expression you choose f of x into g of x. Okay, f of x and g of x. Now f of x factor want to find, then g of x factors want to find, then f of x. Using f of x and g of x, first we want to find LCM, next GCD, next question is asked LCM and GCD only. So we have received, then we want to verify that two expression you should multiply means we will get one answer. Then LCM and GCD we have received, that two multiply means we will receive answer. Both answer also we will get it as a equal. This only we want to verify, so hence we verified. Okay, that's all. See next third point. So two expression is given. First we want to find LCM and GCD. Yes. So see solution. First given expression you choose. Let first expression is f of x. So x squared y into xy square. Now in that both, first what is factorize first. So here first common term is there or not, you check. Common term is this, then means you take outside. Xy is common, so xy you are taking outside, remaining here one x will be there, here remaining one y will be there. This is f of x. Next g of x, second expression, x squared plus xy. In that also common factor is there. What is that? X you are taking outside, remaining here x plus y. Okay, so f of x and g of x we received. Then first GCD. First GCD, right? Next LCM, right? It is easy. Okay, now GCD means both also what is common. What is common? Both also x plus y only common. So x plus y want to write. Okay. So GCD means common term. Common. So that is x plus y. Okay. For understand purpose, I am writing this common terms. Okay, GCD we received x plus y. Then, sorry, GCD x plus y, and here x. So common is there outside x. So that x of x plus y. So this is GCD. Next LCM. LCM means First, both also what is common term, right? X of x plus y into y. Okay, here only one term alone y is there, here y is not there, even though you want write y. Okay, therefore LCM is xy of x plus y. Okay, this is LCM. Now what want to verify? To verify f of x into g of x, you should multiply like that. LCM into GCD you should multiply, this both will come equal first. So f of x into g of x, f of x into g of x. Okay, f of x, given expression also you should multiply, or else getting factors also you can multiply, both also the same only. Here I will choose factors. What is that? Xy of x plus y into, here next this factor is x of x plus y. Okay, so these two factors I will multiply, getting factors I will multiply. So question given expression you should multiply also, we will receive at the same answer only. Okay, now here multiply means what you will get? Xy, here x, so x into x, x squared, this y of, here x plus y into x plus y, x plus y to the whole square. Okay, so this keep it as equation 1, no need to expand. Okay, so this is two expression you should multiply, means we received this. Now next what want to multiply? LCM and GCD want to multiply. So next LCM into GCD. Next, this is RHS, this is LHS. Yes. Now, so LCM we received as xy of x plus y into GCD we received x of x plus y. Yes. Now multiply, same, x squared y of x plus y into x plus y to the whole square. So this is equation 2. Therefore from 1 and 2 we received as both also it is equal. What it is equal? Given expression f of x into g of x, you should multiply this equal to your product of LCM and GCD. Hence verified. So it's came equal, so that it is verified. Okay, that's all. Easy only, but factors you want to find correctly means it is easy. Okay. So see next second one, find the LCM of each pair of following polynomials. Okay, each pair of following polynomials. So first two polynomials is given, whose GCD is given. Using this we want to find GCD. So sorry, using this we want to find LCM. So see solution, it is easy because we know already what is the relationship. This relationship between LCM and GCD we know. So first you choose, let first polynomial is f of x, or algebraic expression is x power 4 minus 27 a cube x. So see, whenever choosing f of x, is it is possible means you should find factors. Okay, find factors using one or common terms you take outside, or else use formula. Okay, or else factorize. So check it first, these are the steps. So here possible to take first x is common. First you check any common term is there or not. Yes, is common term is there, x you are taking outside, remaining x cube, 1x went outside, remaining x cube minus 27 a cube you will get. Yes, 27 a cube. Now because x went outside, now again is it is possible x cube, x of x cube, this bracket is it is possible to change a cube minus b cube formula. So that x cube minus 27 we can change into 3 cube, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 3a to the whole cube, 3a to the whole cube, 27a cube we can change into 3a to the whole cube. Next x of, here we want to use formula. Okay, what is the formula of is this? A cube minus b cube. Before some only I have explained a cube minus b cube. What is the formula of is this? A minus b a minus b of a place is x, b place is 3a. So a minus b, a square minus ab. So x into 3a plus, sorry here, plus b square. So 3a to the whole square. So close the bracket. Okay, understand this. So here one bracket, again one more bracket want to close. So this is use formula a minus b of a square plus ab plus b square. Now x of this x minus 3a. So this you should simplify x squared x into 3a plus 3ax, okay, plus here 3 square 9, 9a squared. Okay, close the bracket. Therefore, what is the factor of is this x of, remove the bracket and write x of x minus 3a into x squared plus 3ax plus 9a squared. Okay, so f of x factor is this. So given expression or given polynomial, the factor is x of x minus 3a into x square plus 3ax plus 9a square. So f of x we received. Next g of x. So g of x is equal to x minus 3a to the whole square. Okay, this we can split it and write factors, not formula. Okay, here no need to use formula, factors you should write. So a square means a into a, like that. Here x minus 3a whole square means x minus 3a into x minus 3a. Okay, now next GCD given. GCD is what does that means? X minus 3a. So all the factors we received. Yes, first f of x, g of x and GCD. Okay, now we know that okay, relationship between LCM and GCD. LCM and GCD is equal to LCM into GCD is equal to f of x into g of x. Yes, this is a relation. Now you want to only, question is asked to find LCM, means LCM you keep this side. So LCM is equal to f of x into g of x divided by GCD. This is the formula. Okay, LCM. You want LCM. So any two expression is given. So this is the relationship formula. What is that? F of x into g of x divided by GCD. Now you should substitute. These are the values you should substitute. So f of x. So f of x factors we find. What is that? X of x minus 3a of x squared plus 3ax plus 9a squared. Okay, this into next g of x. G of x is, okay, into g of x. What is that? Here you see into g of x we received, g of x is received x minus 3a into x minus 3a divided by, you substitute. Okay, so in these factors I am substituting. First f of x, next g of x divided by GCD. GCD is x minus 3a. Okay, straightly you should write. Okay, straightly you should write. Here space is not convenient, so that I am writing like that. Okay, now here you check. Now what will be cancelled? You cancel. Here one x minus 3a, one x minus 3a will get cancelled. Then means remaining we will receive x of x squared plus 3ax plus 9a squared into, okay, here x minus 3a into x minus 3a, x minus 3a to the whole square. Okay, we can remove the multiplication and we will write. So this is called LCM. Okay, question is asked to find LCM. Therefore, using expression f of x and g of x GCD, we received as LCM. So LCM is like that. So like that first point you want to work out it. Okay. So first point it is given quadratic. F of x and g of x is given quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial you factorize, then formula you should substitute, then factors we will get cancel, then you will receive the answer. Okay. So second first point you want to work out. That's all.